We all know how the partition of Bengal gave an impetus to the national movement. On July 20, 1905, Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal. He declared that Bengal would be divided into two parts, Eastern Bengal and Assam on one side and West Bengal on the other. The official reason given was for administrative efficiency, as Bengal was very large. The British government argued that dividing the province would improve governance and allow for better management of its various regions. Bengal had become a center of the Indian nationalist movement. The British partitioned Bengal as they wanted to weaken the influence of the nationalist movement by creating divisions among its population. The partition of Bengal was also a strategic move to weaken the growing nationalist movement and maintain British control over India. The partition was also intended to reduce Bengalis to a minority and curb their influence. The British sought to weaken the influence of the educated middle class in Bengal, which was actively involved in the freedom struggle. The British also aimed to create a divide between the Hindus and the Muslims. The division of Bengal along religious lines, with Bengal having a Muslim majority and West Bengal with a predominant Hindu population, fostered more communal tensions. The partition brought stark criticism from Indian nationalists who saw it as a deliberate attempt to divide the Bengalis. Moreover, the way in which the partition was declared with utter disregard for public opinion shocked and hurt the feelings of Bengalis. No doubt, the partition triggered Indian nationalism and brought in a strong wave against the partition, and thus began the anti partition movement.